Hi traders, welcome back. Before we break down today's market actions, make sure you are subscribed and join our Telegram channel. It is completely free and super useful. You will get instant market updates in our Telegram channel and I updated that link in the description. Don't forget to join. And today we'll discuss about upcoming IPOs and current IPOs and IPOs issues, date, size, GMP with all information. And one more thing, first quarter results are coming, so we'll discuss that one also. Plus, Nifty 50 top gainers and losers. We'll discuss all these things. Let's start with IPOs. First IPO, Cellorap Industries, and this IPO issue date is 25th July to 29th July, and issue size rupees 30.28 crore, price band rupees 79 to 83, and lot size 3,200, retail amount rupees 2,65,600, GMP is nil. And second IPO is Patel Chem Specialist. Issue date is 25th July, means today, 25th July to 29th July. Issue size rupees 58.80 crores and price band rupees 82 to 84 rupees. Lot size same 3,200 and retail amount rupees 2 lakh 68,800 rupees. GMP is 30%. And third IPO is Sri Refrigeration and issue date is 25th July to 29th July. Issue size rupees 117.33 crores. Price band rupees 119 to 125 and lot size 2000. Retail amount rupees 2,50,000. GMP 60%. So these three IPOs are current IPOs and next we'll see upcoming IPOs. So next fourth IPO is National Securities Depository Limited and issue date is 30th July to 1st August and issue size rupees 4,011.60 crores and price band rupees 760 to 800, lot size 18 shares only, and this IPO allotment date 4th August, listing date is 6th August and GMP is 18%. And here is important note, GMP has been taken from internet and it is only for educational purpose. So GMP maybe in future days it will change. Before applying IPOs, consult your financial advisor. And next, we'll discuss about Bajaj Finance Service first quarter result. Here is the first quarter result. Net profit increase almost 30.5% at rupees 2,789 crores versus 2,138 crores year over a year. And life insurance gross return premium up 9% year over year, and compared to previous quarter it is 41% down. And Jan Insurance gross return premium UPD 9% compared to previous year and 20% up compared to previous quarter. So this is Bajaj Finance Service first quarter result. Next, Chennai Petro first quarter result is here. So net loss 40 crores compared to previous quarter, and previous quarter profit of rupees 467 crores and almost 41% revenue down and rupees 14,812 crores compared to 17,250. EBITDA down 87.5% and rupees 798 crores compared to 785 crores. So after result announcement, the stock went down almost 7%. So this is all about today market news, and next we'll see top Nifty 50 gainers and losers. First, we'll see the top gainer stock. First one, Cipla, 3% increased, and SBI Life Insurance 2.15% increase, Apollo Hospital 1.43% increase, Dr. Reddy's Lab 0.98% increased, HDFC Life 0.67% increase. So now we'll see the top losers stock. First stock, Bajaj Finance 4.71% down, and IndusLand Bank 2.85% down, Shriram Finance 2.79% down, Bajaj Auto 2.57% down, Tech Mahindra 2.45% down. So this is all about today market news and IPO results, first quarter results. For more updates, join our Telegram channel, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.